For proper and safe use of a step ladder, always have the ladder spread with the spreaders locked in a locked position. Even when you're working on, say, this wall, set up the ladder in this direction or this direction, but never close the legs, leaning the ladder up against the wall. The reason is these feet can kick out and the ladder come down with you on top of it. So always remember, safe use of the ladder, spread the legs, make sure the spreaders are locked into place. Another thing you need to consider when working with a ladder, the top step clearly states do not stand on or above this level. You can lose your balance, which also means never step on the top cap. Another safety issue to consider is when you're using the ladder, never lean too far over to the left or to the right. If you lean too far over, the ladder can come unbalanced, causing you to fall and leading to injury.